Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair rose 0.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.7% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.1% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.5% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's main indexes paired losses as US President Donald Trump delayed new tariffs on Mexico after his orders to levy steep tariffs on 3 countries sparked a global scramble to safe haven assets earlier in the day. The market capitalization of stablecoins on the Solana blockchain more than doubled in January, soaring from $5.1 billion on New Year's Day to $11.4 billion by month's end. Solana has emerged as the preferred network for meme coin traders, luring activity from Ethereum with its lower fees and faster transactions. Alphabet will face investor scrutiny over its massive spending on AI when it reports earnings, as revenue growth at the Google parent likely slowed in the holiday quarter due to a slowdown in its advertising and cloud businesses.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Redbook Index will be released at 13:55 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock at 21:30 GMT. The US JOLTS job openings at 15 GMT. Japan's JP foreign reserves will be released at 23:50 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 3:35 GMT. Japan's labour cash earnings at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.